Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. Today is August 25th, 2025, and today is Monday morning. Welcome back, everybody. Looking at the highlights of the day, the U.S. markets bounce back, including the Dow Jones making new all-time record highs. No major economic events scheduled for today, and we will have major economics as the week progresses. Now, starting out with the Forex symbols, we're watching the major pairs actually spike versus the U.S. dollar, and looking at those indices, yes, the Dow Jones making that all-time record highs and the Nasdaq also spiking higher. Now looking at commodities, gold spiked higher as well. And looking at the stocks, it's really some strong stock and some stronger stocks, okay? And some of them are making new all-time record highs, including Bank of America. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin pretty much unchanged. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. First with the Euro USD. Now the Euro USD led the way here and it rallied to its resistance level. This is why you have to pay attention to support and resistance. It's so critical because it's really the backbone of technical trading. Okay, and sure enough, that's exactly what we did. We rallied up to 117.24 and boom, right off of it, we just collapsed. Okay, now we didn't collapse by major, but we did take a back seat. Okay, after going from about 120 pips to retracing about 20 pips, not a major thing, but we did lose that momentum, okay? And if we look at the GBP USD, same story, okay? Now the GBP USD, remember, is weaker, so I expect this to actually sell off more than the euro. Now jumping into commodities, let's take a look at gold as that got a spike yesterday, also 33.75. And then you just should fade it, because it's just a fade move. It's a news move and just should fade it. However, looking at the Dow Jones, it's not just a fade move, right? Because we did make all-time record highs at 45,560. And if we look at Nasdaq, we spiked as well. Not to new all-time record highs, but we did spike. Now, which stocks are strong? Okay, so let's break it down. First with Bank of America making new yearly highs, not all-time record highs, but new yearly highs at 49.48. And looking at some of the others, Amazon had a really great day, okay, 228, and so did Tesla, having a really strong day at 339. Okay, so you see that the market is shifting a little bit when we're seeing these strengths. Now, looking at Microsoft, did not. Okay, I'm repeating this, did not really rally higher. So this is, at least for now, raising a flag, not a red flag. Now, I'm not in distress, but I want to see what's going on with Microsoft, okay, why it's not rallying when the rest of the market is rallying as well. Whereas if we saw Meta also did take a step higher. Now, remember, this week we do have corporate earnings for NVIDIA. So we're getting that little push higher right here. Let's see what happens, because this is obviously what's been propelling the markets with the AI revolution that's expected to mainstream, okay, within the next 2-3 years, and depending on how we're going to actually use it, it's going to really take effect. So keep that in motion as well. So this is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.
My advice, this is the best time to trade.